This moment I bring for you a topic which you will like, all of you, which we speak all the time, and that topic speaks about love. The true love is a love without condition. All things God has created, they need to be loved. But this particular moment, I wanted to develop the topic which talks about the love of human being. On the first moment, I would like to address my reflection to the youth. The youth who are in love, who plan to get married. For the youth ladies, I will tell you, you don't give condition to your boyfriend. For example, some girls loves their boyfriend because they have some riches, money, houses, cars, something like that. But such love doesn't delay. Anytime that riches you have fallen, when it get finished, even that love, it doesn't delay. It get finished as those things, that condition you gave has already get finished. And it will be easier to abandon your friend. For the boys have also their criteria to the girls they want to love, they want to marry. For example, they look the beauty outside. Something may happen and that beauty, it goes away, it disappears. And it will be easier to limit your love to your lover. Anytime you don't see that beauty, you will not have that particular love you were desiring in a person. The advice I can give the youth, the sincere love has no condition. And my question is, those who does not complete the condition I mentioned above, do they not need to love and to be loved, especially to love the people they feel they want? Because each one can want something you can love without anybody to give you a condition, but from your heart. I proceed with the love in the families. Normally in our families is the first school where we are trained to love one another. Our parents, they have to be also from the youth, from their family planning, to plan the way they will have their future family, no? So if they were well trained in their youth time, they will actually have the true love, and they will train their children the same as well. Of course, there are some people who have their special life, who have never been loved in their families, and in opposite, they love sincerely, without condition, without any division. And those people, normally it is a special gift they receive from God. We see the love in consecrated people. Here I mean religious, brothers, priests. For those I will not say many things, only to encourage them to be guided with the word of God, where Jesus said, they will know that you are my disciples if you love one another as I have loved you. When I mean these verses, in our communities we meet different people from different nationalities, with different cultures, different characters and personalities, and we have background which are different in the way we are raised up by our families. And I can add also Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. She's a patron saint of missionaries. She used to pray for priests. She's also religious like us. She's a friend who are the people who has this vocation of love. Herself, she has this vocation to love. That is what she discovers her vocation in the church. So she said, to love one another as Jesus loved us. It means to accept our brothers and sisters as they are, with their weaknesses, with their limits. As Jesus has accepted us as we are, he loved us without seeing our sinfulness, our limit, our weaknesses. And you can ask me, why did you mention the weaknesses? Do they not have the strong side? Of course they do. But if you observe well in our daily life, it's easier to fail to accept the weaknesses of our brothers and sisters, because when everything goes well, you find the life sometimes easier. But when the thing does not go well, when somebody reacted in opposite in a way you think, sometimes it is hard to accept. So that is why I said to accept them as they are, but they have also the strong side. In conclusion of this reflection, I want to advise you in order to improve your way of loving in any state of life, whether you are married, you are youth, you are religious, in any state of life you are. Love does not speak with words, it speaks with the actions. Many times the love, you find it with the actions, with the what somebody has done to you without telling you that I love you. It's easier to say I love you, but when it comes in actions, you see the difference. So thank you for listening to me. This is first part to journey in a way we can know the true love. We will continue to reflect about love using the letter of St. Paul, where he called a hymn of love, in first letter of Corinthians chapter 13 verse 1 to 13, so that we can deepen how to really love with a sincere love. Thank you.